Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about iOS 14 and iOS 14.2, a couple of updates that Apple really pushed out recently. And I'm going to highlight a new feature that I thought was pretty cool today in this video of mine. If you got the iOS 14.2 update, you would have got 100 new emojis. If you look at iOS 14, it has 3,175 emojis, while iOS 14.2 has got 3,292 emojis. 3,292 emojis. That's like 100 times the number of characters that's there in the English language. So why do we need all these emojis? It's a great way to express ourselves in our text messages. It brings a lot more color, it brings a little more character and color to the whole message. So, something like what you see on the left of the screen could be like this. So, the challenge that I had was that I had to work for it. I had to do extra to kind of make my messages more expressive. So, as I start typing my message, I have to stop that process or stop that thought flow and go and select the emoji that pops up in my predictive field. And then again, I continue typing, and then again, I get a prompt, and I need to think about changing it again. And I wasn't at my fastest or at my best in quickly typing messages while getting it to be as expressive and inclusive of emojis. I guess it's not just me having this problem. I think Apple noticed a lot of people having a similar challenge, and they've come up with a rather smart feature, which I believe has made my life so much more convenient. So now all I need to do is just go ahead and type as I previously used to type, not think about anything else and be distracted with emojis and all that. I just type my message and then I tap emoji button that's located on the bottom left of my screen close to the spacebar, or rather right next to the spacebar. And this happens like magic. What it's done is just gone through all the text that I typed, and all possible words replaceable by emojis have been recognized and highlighted for me to go ahead and choose whether to change them to an emoji or not. Now, all I had to do was tap on these highlighted words and choose the emoji that it could be an alternative to that word. And for words with multiple options of emojis, it used to show me the same. And it's my choice which one I'd like to pick for that word. It also allows me to revert back to the word in case I'm not happy with the emoji by simply tapping the emoji, and it switches back to the word. So I think that was one cool feature to handle these 3,200 emojis more effectively and make my text messages more expressive and colorful. Apple's also launched this emoji for coin, which says the crazy ones and 2020. So this is a new emoji available for the word coin, just a new one that Apple thought of bringing out for the crazy ones. Apple's also updated a range of its existing emojis with newer updated emojis. So if you look at some of them, the previous ones used to have the home button kind of illustrated on the phones, but now they're updated to like the newer phones with the full screens. So quite a lot of changes in the emoji section of that Apple's released. For a full list of the new emojis that's available now, for those who are interested in seeing the full list, please visit the URL that's shown on the screen, which is tinyurl.com slash emoji 14.2, and you should be able to access a full list of emojis that's been launched. So that's it for now, and stay tuned. We'll be back with more updates for you guys. Thank you.